The CRA, also known as Canada Revenue Agency, allows you to do varieties of things online, such as updating your direct deposit information, your mailing address, and even to view your notice of assessment from your tax filing in previous years. And you can also see your child tax benefits information online through the My Canada Revenue Agency account individual portal. In this video, I'm going to be showing you live right here, step by step, how you can register and create My Canada individual account. All that coming up right after this. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy at joyphoebe.com, where we bring you steps and tips that will help you as an individual, entrepreneur, and content creator to build your brand, your business, and increase your productivity and impact. So if you are new here, why not consider subscribing? It's free. You can do that right now by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive into the video, and I'm going to show this to you live right here on my computer. So come along. Okay, here we are. You can achieve this objective through two ways. The first one I'm going to show you is by, in your browser, you can put canada.ca, click enter, and it will bring you to this page where you have to select English or French. You can select English right here. And then from here, there are a lot of stuff you can browse through, but we want to go straight to the reason why we are here. You can put in this search field, my individual account. Okay, I've already searched it before, that's why it's coming up for me, but here you can type my individual account and click search. So it's going to bring the search result for you. Go with the first option. There you are. Then we are right here in this page where we can start the CRA login or registration process. But there's another way I'm going to show you, which I believe it takes fewer clicks than this. I will open another browser because we will both land in the same page anyways. Like you did before, just click in CRA space my individual account and click enter. Okay, so now you get this, and when you click on this, you come to the very page with like 2 clicks, where it took us about 5 clicks to get to in the initial page. Okay, so now that you are here, all you need to do is to click on register, and then you come next to this page where it says welcome to CRA account. Welcome to CRA's My Account for Individuals. This information up here is for those that will be applying for CRPs and the days that they should be applying, so that is not applicable to you at this time. However, if you want to see my video that will give you step-by-step on guide on how you can apply for CERP, you can click on it right here in the card. So we click on register, Now it's going to bring us to the next page where we have to put in our social insurance number. Because I've already created my own CRA individual account, I'm not going to start putting my social insurance number at this point, but all you need to do is put in your social insurance number here, click next. On the next page is where you're going to validate your date of birth and your income as reported on line 121 in the previous year's notice of assessment. So you can get that from your NOE, which is your notice of assessment that was sent to you, or from your accountant if you have an accountant that filed the taxes for you. So you put this information in, then it's going to take you to the next page where you create username and password, and then you'll be told that a registration key will be mailed out to you. Typically, this key will get to you within 3 to 5 business days. Once you get that registration code, you're going to come back, and then at this time, instead of registering, you will click on if I go back, you come here, instead of clicking on to register, just click on CRA login. Okay, CRA login. It's going. This system is a bit slow. Okay, and then you put in your user ID and password. Remember, I told you you'll be navigated to the page where you create your username and password earlier. So you put that username and password, and then you click on login, and then it's going to ask you to put your CRA verification code. Okay, all right, guys, there you have it. That is how you set up your Canada Revenue Agency account online. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also watch other of my videos right here. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.